In front of me, I've got a Nissan Skyline GTR BNR34 from the brand Streetwarrior. Do I have other vehicles from Streetwarrior? Yes, I have another Nissan GTR. Did a review about it on my channel. Was not super satisfied with the model. So I hope this one is a little bit better. And the reason I bought it is here in the left corner of the package. Package is very good. I like a display case, but I prefer box package because you don't have to deal with these screws. It's not the end of the world. Okay, first we're going to take this off. And then we can see there is a camping unit here. Come to that later. So first we're going to take a look at the model. And the model itself, here you see the information, high ref series, 1 out of 599. That's pretty limited. Skyline GTR BNR 34. Yeah, I already said that. So lanced headlights, we got a nice Nissan GTR logo here at the grille. Big intercooler right here. Well, it's behind the grille, but still. We got brake disc, we got brake claws, we got nice black rims. I like that. I think it's a good combination with the... whoa, I see something cool. It's a good combination with the red. That's what I was going to say. So we have some details, color details on the dashboard. That's a big plus for me. Oh, we also have nice heating here in the back window and a windscreen wiper, not mounted in the glass. And that's the same for here in the front. Nice bucket racing seats and a mirror in the middle. So yeah, that looks very interesting. Okay, we got what I believe, and I think it's better to use this light. Got a nice steering wheel, authentic, and look at all these colored details on the dashboard. Okay, also red black seats in the back. Nice racing bucket seats, everything is there. Okay, then we have the back. Skyline, lens, rear lights, a little bit of carbon fiber here on the spoiler, and we got a nice exhaust Nismo. Okay, let's take this thing off the base. I believe that the one I did a review about already doesn't have a metal base. I was a little bit disappointed by that because these models aren't cheap. Pay around $30, $40. No, look at this. We got a metal base. Holy smoke. And we got a nice silver exhaust. I like that. This model is so much better than the last one. You know what? I'm going to pick that other one up and we can compare it. But first I'm going to show you this camping unit. Let's take it out because that was the reason I bought it. Yeah, there's also a ladder. Do I say that right? Is that the right English word? I think it is. Okay, and we can also put this one here. Rope. So it has to be here on the roof. I think like this. Not like this. Doesn't click, doesn't glue. It would be cool if it had very small magnets and also a magnet or a metal piece, and then Click. Then it's stuck on the roof. Let's switch to another camera. Yeah, that's a little bit better. Okay, this is how it looks like when the camping unit is all inside the box. See here, you can also see the box, top of the box, and then what's inside. So I think it's something like this. How does it go? Yeah, it has to be something like this. Should be, because you have to go here, you have to go in the tent. Not sure what this is for. Ooh, ooh, ooh. I think it's not. It has to be something like this. Can't remember the picture anymore, but it could be that you have to do it like this. That looks a little bit weird to me. It has to be like this. So then this should also be like this, right? Okay. And then we have this right here. Ah! It's too short. No. Okay, let's do it like this. Do it like this. Hallelujah. Wait a minute, wait a minute. Wait a minute. Frustrating. Does it have to be something like this? I don't think so. I think it has to be this. Like this. Does it has to be like this? That's also possible. Anyways, I'm going to pick up the other vehicle I have from Streetwarrior, and then we're going to compare these two back in a sec. Okay, so I checked the photos and it has to be like this. So what I did, very simple. I took some gum and then it will fit a lot better. See, that is no problem anymore. Okay, so here is the other car from Street Weapon where I did a review from. No opening parts, but everything is there. Also good rolling wheels. Yeah, this one has a plastic base, so I'm pretty surprised that this one is so much better. Much more details, much better car. But back then I told that yeah, Street Weapon is pretty new on the market, so there is room for improvement. With this model, they show they are on the right way. Okay, so let me know what you think about this Nissan with camper unit on top. Thanks for watching. Don't forget a thumbs up. You really help me with that. Thank you very much. Bye.